Hello and welcome friends. Today I'm sharing my January journal pages. I've penciled in my design already. I'm just going to be having fun coloring in everything today, and I'm using just 6 Tombow dual brush pens to do my coloring. This is the Wonderland set. I love the color palette for January, and let's get started. With the darkest blue color in the pack, I first lettered a quote on this page. I love lettering motivational words in my journal, and this time I just used a single color and made it a simple font, very easy for you to recreate. On the facing page, I've drawn in some florals. I love having florals, and this time I just let the white of the dot grid be the flower color. Instead, I'm coloring the background a nice bright blue, and then I'm adding pops of dark green and 2 shades of green actually to make the leaves. The leaves contrast so nicely against the blue. I added some centers, and I just love the way this turned out. To finish off this page, I added some black lines. I'm using a 0.1 thickness mono drawing pen for this. I also used the same pen to add outline to the white petals. I finished off the spread by adding simple light blue stripes around the quote. The next page is my planner spread and a calendar spread. I've gone ahead and written down the days and the day of the week for January, and then I'm just adding other details around the page. I added a simple gray color flag to write down all of my goals. And then I used the darker greenish color to write down the word January. I made the title really bold, and I love the way the color pops against the page again. On the facing page, I created 4 buckets for my 4 weeks of January, and surrounding it I have these small doodles that I'm just coloring in with the same colors. I finished off the page again by drawing thin lines to mark my boxes. I added titles, and here's how it looks. My final page in my January setup is just a simple a line a day page. I enjoyed journaling very much last year, so what I want to do here is just create a decoration on top and leave the page blank so that I can write down words every day. And that finishes my January setup. I just created these simple pages for January. I'm not creating weekly spreads this year. I'm just going to plan in these 4 buckets and see if that works. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's setup, and thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I'll see you again soon. Till then, happy crafting.